Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today is going to be another Telfar unboxing. I did a Telfar unboxing a few months ago. I'm saying a few months, it might have been longer, but I will have that up here in the card somewhere. But before I get into this video, definitely make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also check out my luxury playlist. So I'm probably not going to do that many unboxings, if any, because cost of living crisis firstly, and inflation, and just it's not really a priority, just to be, you know, transparent. This was kind of almost, I wouldn't say an impulse buy, but like I think I got wrapped up in the hype, and I probably didn't need to, but we move. So I'm actually thinking of maybe potentially selling one, but yeah, I definitely have just kind of slowed down in terms of, you know, buying certain things. I feel like if it's not a necessity or something that I like need now, then it can definitely wait. But I already purchased these. I already purchased it already. I purchased it actually with like my friend, and we just put everything in the basket and made the purchase because it's just cheaper to do via shipping. But yes, let's get into it. So Telfar, I've got 2 bags. I kind of regret one and I don't regret the other, and I will explain why. So I'm going to open the smaller one, which is like so. And since I purchased these, I got these, when did I get it? They did, what did they do? What's that thing that they do, like where you can just buy all the bags and it's available in every color and every size? I can't remember what it's called. It's like at the top of my head, but just I can't remember. But anyway, they've been dropping a lot of just like random releases. I'm subscribed to their emails, and then sometimes they'll just email me and be like, you know, blue cobalt is going to be in stock. So they're constantly doing like random drops. But anyway, I digress. Onto the bag. So I got the white small bag, and let me just remove this here so you can actually see the size of it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot smaller than I anticipated. There we go. So it's a lot smaller than I anticipated. I mean, I knew it was going to be small, but this is really small. And my friend who I purchased with, she bought, did she buy 2 bags? Yeah, she bought 2 bags too, and she bought this exact same color, and she'd already opened it, and she was like, Lizzie, I can't fit my phone in here. So yeah, it's a lot smaller than I anticipated. I feel like the sizing just doesn't, the math doesn't math with the sizing. Like the small is really small, and then the medium is like a really good size to take to work, but like it's just a massive jump between the small and the medium, and then the large is obviously like huge. So I don't know, the sizing is a bit off for me, but this is just how it looks. If I have my phone, let me see if it fits. I mean, we have the same size phone, so I don't think it, yeah, you can see that like it doesn't fit. So that isn't ideal, but I guess I'm just gonna have to hold my phone or figure out a solution. But I think it's so pretty, and the reason why I purchased this is because I have 3 vacations planned this year. I'm going to Greece, Dubai, and the Dominican Republic, so I'm like trying to plan my outfits, and I feel like this bag is just going to be so cute. I don't want to take my YSL or my Louis bag because I'm just nervous because of the weather. Like, you know, Dubai is hot, so I'm not really sure how that leather will cope. I'm sure it's going to be fine, but I'm a bit nervous about that. So I wanted a white bag because I feel like it will go with all of my outfits, and like Greece in particular, like, you know, Greece and the blue water and like the white buildings and just everything is, I just feel like it will just go so well with my outfits. So that's why I got white. I am a bit scared about color transfer, but when I'm on vacation, it's very unlikely that I'll be wearing dark colors, so hopefully it should be fine. But it is tiny, guys. Can you see that? Really, really small. Like, I know I've got a Laura Mercier eau de toilette. Does that even fit? Girl, it just about it's really small. So this is going to be something where I'd have to have like a card holder, maybe like a lip gloss, maybe some keys, like literally just essentials. And my phone is an essential, but it doesn't even fit in here, so I definitely have to kind of figure out what will go in here. But I think it's so pretty. One thing that does irritate me about Telfar bags is how long the strap is, although this doesn't seem that bad. So let me see if I can stand up. This doesn't seem that bad, to be honest. Oh, it sits on my body quite well. Okay, so that's not too bad. The medium, which I'm just about to show you, it's just the straps are just so long that you can't really wear it across body because it looks really weird. But I think this is definitely doable. So that's the white. And then the next one that I have, can you guess what color I chose? So if I can get it out. Oh my god, I can't get it out. Why is it so tough? Okay, there we go. As you can see, I got the tan. I think it's such a gorgeous color. Like, how gorgeous is that? Stunning. And the black, I wear the black one to work. That's the only time I use that black bag is when I go to the office, and I only go twice a week. I wear a lot of neutral colors to the office. Sometimes I will wear color, but I feel like a lot of the time I'm a neutral gal, and I wear a lot of browns. Like, I have brown leather trousers. I always wear like brown, like, or beige colored items, and so I really wanted the tan bag because I feel like it'd be so cute. The black goes with those outfits, but the tan, I feel like, is really gonna like make my outfits, you know, look great. So I decided to get the tan version, and I think it's stunning. It's gorgeous. This is actually the first time I'm seeing it in person. I literally purchased this like a couple months back and I haven't even opened it, but I think it's so gorgeous. And then if we do a size comparison with the white, you can see, if I move back, that look at that, it's white is tiny, really small. But I think the Telfar bags overall are such good quality. If you watch my first unboxing that I did with the black bag, I think I kind of showed what fits in there, so definitely go check that out because I don't want to have to do that here. Just, I've already done it once, so I will link that video in the description box or up here in the cards. But what I like about them is that they're super spacious. Like, if you are looking for a go-to work bag or a bag to wear to school, I think Telfar is the way to go. I think they're at such a great price point. Although they're really popular, I'm not sure if they've had a price increase. I feel like they did, because I feel like this was more expensive than the black one, and I will have like how much I paid on the screen somewhere because I literally cannot remember from the top of my head. But I feel like for the price and what you're getting, I definitely feel like it's worth it. I use my black Telfar bag. I interchangeably use it between the Marc Jacobs tote bag, but I pretty much use the Telfar bag majority of the time, and it's still in great shape. I've had it, you know, when it's been raining, and it's been absolutely fine. If I get like a dirt mark on it, I literally just wipe it. So I think the quality of Telfar is absolutely amazing, and I would highly recommend it. What I don't like about the mediums is that the straps are very long and they are non-adjustable. So if you're quite petite and you have a medium bag, I feel like it's going to hit quite low on you, and I personally don't like that. So I will usually hold the Telfar bag like so. But yeah, this is the medium, and I think this color is so gorgeous. Like, even with this outfit that I'm wearing, I definitely feel like I could rock the tan color. But yeah, I think that's all for the Telfar. I'm really excited to rock these bags, specifically my white bag. If you're following me on Instagram, when I go on my vacations, you will definitely see that Telfar bag, the white one, in all of my pictures, because I think it's going to be so cute with all the outfits. So yeah, let me know if you guys have a Telfar bag, which colors you have. I'm not sure if I want to get, you know, a new one anytime soon, but I would like the small version, maybe in a different color, because like I said, color transfer with the white one, I'm not too sure. But I've stuck to quite neutral shades because you just can't go wrong with them. So I'm really happy with my purchase. Let me know if you guys have purchased any Telfar bags. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I will have my previous Telfar unboxing in the description box down below, as well as some of my other luxury unboxings that I have done on my channel. But I will see you guys in my next video.